Ready to move in 3-bedroom, 3-full-bath ranch home on almost 1.5-acre lot. First floor den with doors for privacy. Open layout with vaulted great room that is wired for surround sound. Eating space with sliding door to deck. Eat-in kitchen has work island, pantry and upgraded white appliances. Owner's bedroom with sliding door to deck and hot tub. Owner's bath with double sinks, walk-in shower and soaking tub. Owner's walk-in closet. First floor laundry. Full bath. Bedroom 2. Jack and Jill bath between bedroom 2 and 3. Bedroom 3.